to MotorKraft, your one-stop destination for premium automotive products and maintenance essentials. Since our inception in 2020, we've been dedicated to serving enthusiasts and drivers alike with top-quality engine oils, additives, interior and exterior care products, and maintenance essentials, all crafted to elevate your driving experience. At MotorKraft, we understand the importance of reliability and performance when it comes to your vehicle. That's why we've carefully curated a selection of products from leading automotive brands in India and Germany, ensuring that you have access to the best-in-class solutions for your automotive needs. As an authorized e-commerce seller on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Maglix, and Industry Buying, we bring convenience and accessibility straight to your doorstep. Whether you're looking to enhance your engine's performance with our range of premium oils and additives, protect and maintain your vehicle's appearance with our interior and exterior care products, or ensure its longevity with our maintenance essentials, MotorKraft has you covered. Backed by a team of automotive experts and enthusiasts, we're committed to providing you with not just products, but also expert advice, tips, and guidance to help you get the most out of your driving experience. With MotorKraft, you can trust that you're getting quality, reliability, and performance with every purchase. Experience the difference with MotorKraft and discover a new level of automotive excellence. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who cares deeply about your vehicle, MotorKraft is here to support you every step of the way. When talking about category, we have a wide range of categories to choose from. Discover premium products for every aspect of your vehicle's care and maintenance. Engine oils and lubricants. Ensure your engine runs smoothly with top-grade oils. Additives. Boost performance and prolong the life of your vehicle. Interior and exterior cleaning. Keep your car spotless with our advanced cleaning solutions. Accessories. Enhance convenience and style with our range of automotive accessories. Whatever your car needs, MotorKraft has it covered. Start browsing today. At MotorKraft, we bring you the best in automobile maintenance and care from the most trusted brands in the industry. From high-performance engine oils to advanced cleaning solutions and additives, you can rely on our curated selection to keep your vehicle at its best. Explore top-quality products from industry-leading brands, all in one place. Choose from leading brands such as Megwin, Liqui Moly, Mobil 1, Liqui Moly Motorbike, Amsoil, Loctite, Worth, Milex, Mite VS, MPH. We will provide you not just best-in-class shopping experience but also product reviews and unboxing of top brands like Mobil, Liqui Moly, Amsoil, Worth, etc. Expert tips on choosing the right engine oils, additives, and cleaning products. Step-by-step guides for DIY car maintenance and cleaning. Insider advice for improving your car's performance and longevity. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply looking for the best care for your ride, you've come to the right place. Hit subscribe and join the MotorKraft community today. Visit us, www.motorkraft.in. Find the best suitable performance engine oil, additive or interior cleaning product at the lowest price only at MotorKraft. We have no shipping charge on orders above Rs 499. Experience express shipping at no extra cost, with live updates. Not sure which product is right for your vehicle? Our experts are here to help. Whether you're looking for engine oils, additives, or cleaning products, our team will guide you to the best choice for your car's needs. Contact us today. Thanks for watching. Follow us now and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.